Using Fortiva retail credit on Wayfair is a straightforward process that allows you to finance your purchases and pay for them over time. To get started, you need to apply for a Fortiva retail credit account, which can be done online or through the Wayfair website. Once you have been approved, you can use your Fortiva credit to make purchases on Wayfair. First, navigate to the Wayfair website and select the items you want to purchase. Once you have added all the items to your cart, proceed to the checkout page. On the payment page, select the Fortiva retail credit option as your payment method. You will be prompted to log in to your Fortiva account or apply for a new account if you do not already have one. If you are applying for a new account, you will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and social security number. You will also need to agree to the terms and conditions of the Fortiva retail credit account. Once you have completed the application, you will receive an instant decision on your credit application. If you are approved, you can use your Fortiva credit to complete your purchase on Wayfair. You will receive a monthly statement showing your balance and the minimum payment due. You can make payments online, by phone, or by mail. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. One of the benefits of using Fortiva retail credit on Wayfair is that it allows you to purchase items you need now and pay for them over time. This can be especially helpful for large purchases, such as furniture or appliances. Additionally, Fortiva retail credit offers competitive interest rates and flexible payment terms, making it a convenient option for financing your purchases. To get the most out of your Fortiva retail credit account, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions of your account. This includes the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms. It is also essential to make your payments on time and keep track of your balance to avoid overspending. In conclusion, using Fortiva retail credit on Wayfair is a simple and convenient way to finance your purchases. By following the steps outlined above and understanding the terms and conditions of your account, you can make the most of your Fortiva retail credit and enjoy the benefits of purchasing items now and paying for them over time.